Hey everyone, in this video we will learn how to play Infinite Craft in a school Chromebook. First, navigate to the Infinite Craft website on the web browser. Then scroll down and hit the play game button provided here. Now it'll start the game and you can skip the ads. As you reach the game, start dragging the elements to the craft. Here drag the first element water, then add other words like cloud and steam. Then add more words in the sequence such as earth, human, and cloud again. Then drag cloud and merge it with human and it'll convert it into angel. Water and earth will make plants and drag steam on cloud to make rain. Now take the cloud word and merge it with mud to convert it into a volcano. After that, merge smoke on the volcano to create the new word eruption. Same as dragging and merging earth and cloud below to create a rainbow. Here merge fire with wind by putting it on the top. It'll create smoke and put plants on it to make incense. Put a rainbow on the top of the angel and it'll create a unicorn. Again, drag the volcano and merge it with a rainbow to create unicorn. Next, drag atom to the craft and put volcano on top of it. This will create Eve, and for the other element, drag planets to craft. After that, merge the plants with a planet to make earth. To create clay, drag dust and merge it with mud. If you drag the rain and put it on the clay again, it'll create mud. Now put the plant again in the mud to make a swamp. Drag rainbow and add it to unicorn and it'll create double rainbow. For the dragon corn, drag swamp and merge it with double rainbow. Then put unicorn on incense and add swamp to the top. After that, add earth and Eve, and then put a unicorn on it. Here, drag rain and acid rain to make rain, and then put it on a lizard. In the end, drag a dragon and unicorn to make dragoncorn. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to see more content like this.